Hey guys, so I'm back with another video, and today I'm gonna play Build a Boat for Treasure with my girlfriend Sunshine 99999. Yeah. Okay, so my girlfriend watches my video, and I just be saying hello to people, but this is one person. This one little person. Okay, this is a group that I made for just friends. Friends only, babe. Friends only, baby. And this is my homeboy. My sister's boyfriend. And, okay. This my mama. No, not that. This my mama. And that's it. Okay. So, I'm finna tell her. I'm starting now. Join me. Okay, guys. So as you guys can see, that I am using Wi-Fi. This is my first day using Wi-Fi on this phone, cause I'm at my mom's house and not my grandma's house no more. Yeah. So this why. So let me go do this. Okay, and apparently she is gonna join. I guess if she not, it's a problem. It's a problem with the game being full, I guess. But what I'm making is a new glitch. That's all I'm making. Put this right here. Put that right there. Okay, there she go. Okay, I'm gonna say, okay, guys. So I'm here with my baby.
No, stop breathing on my head.
So I am making a new glitch.
No, it's not.
I don't know what she's doing. She said, "Hey guys, I'm here with my baby." And then she keep putting that face. She likes that face. Like. What up? Oh, it won't say it. I guess. Thanks. Okay, I'm not gonna put that. I'm gonna put. Yes, it is. I'm gonna put this right here. Right here. Go back up here. I'm gonna ask her, are you recording? I really don't know, guys, if she is. But I only have 3 subscribers. Like, what is that? What is 3 subscribers gonna do? Like, if I look, this is the only reason why I did YouTube. The only reason I did YouTube is to get money and all that. If you make a YouTube video, that's it. You can make a YouTube video if you want. I'm not forcing you to not. But if you do a YouTube video, you really do get money like other YouTubers around here. Like my sister, I'm over here with her, beside her. And she have a YouTube channel. Go check out hers. What is your YouTube channel, Keisha?
Gaming with Keisha.
Her YouTube channel is Gaming with Keisha. Yeah, it is her channel, and you go check that out. Check that out too. I don't know why this cash dude over here. You're not joining my team, so stop, please. I'm really getting frustrated. Sometimes I be feeling like I want to come on, but I never do. Like, wow. No. No. Nope. Don't press anything, baby. Do not press anything. Okay, guys, so I am almost done with my glitch. Let me get the first person to do this.
Stop breathing. Oh my.
Okay, guys, so this is my new glitch. So I'm gonna leave like this. I don't know. Okay, she deleted it. Okay. So as you guys can see, so baby, if you don't believe me, as you can see, I have all this. Can you please delete the jetpack? I'm gonna ask you, please. Delete. Sometimes she be wanting me to leave her alone, cause I be asking her something like anything. Like I just care about her though. Yeah. So I'm finna tell her I will be uploading this video. Nope. Uploading this. I will be uploading this video. Okay, guys. So, okay. As you guys can see, this is a glitch. That is a glitch. So is mine, guys. So is mine. So is mine. Yeah, I know you're not. But thanks. But you can be in my video.
Saturday.
Oh wait, guys. First, I need my magnet. Now go back to it. But my girlfriend doesn't have this. My girlfriend don't have any of this. Okay, guys. So I don't know if she recording or what, but I barely. Okay, yeah, like that, guys. And then
Go.
put up down here first. And how many goals you have, guys, is how many wins you got. I have 67 wins. I have 172 gold, but I will get back up. You will see on some of my other videos. You see my goal go back up and all that things like that. But I really don't know. But I have to go find. Do I even have it? I really don't know. But I do have it.
Oh, can you move?
I am Black American. I have brown skin. Doesn't matter if my girlfriend doesn't like me anymore. I don't know what kind of skin tone she is, but I really don't care. Hold up. Okay, I've been recording for 9 minutes. Here you go. Put that. I'm gonna put this boat color green. Baby, if you want this paint, is for how you get jetpack on you. It's actually here.
Never mind.
She really doesn't know. I think I didn't think. Okay, I didn't finish doing this. First, guys, I have to test this out. But I have to save it first. If I don't save it, then I'm going to have to rebuild the whole thing. Baby, this paint, if you watch this video, this paint is for 1,200 gold. But I can tell her I'm good. I'm good. But thanks. And baby, if you do watch this video, I have no other girlfriend but you only. I will do a video of me going through every last one of my texts. Every last one. I will do that for you. So you won't think that. Oh snap.
I'm an adventure. Wow. Up and away. Go. No, it's the wrong house.
Kids, why is he making a creepy noise? Why are you making any dumb noise? Why is he making any dumb noises? And guys, I will do a video with me, face reveal. I'm ugly, I know that, and I really don't care. And that is the truth. What is you doing that for? I don't do that when you recording. Doing all your videos and all that. Okay, guys, so I'm almost done. See, this policy is for 4,000.
I'm on a adventure. I'm doing push-ups. Face like, ooh. I can't believe. Uh-huh.
Oh, guys,
I got to choose. I'm
I'm gonna tell you yes.
I got to choose.
No, please get up.
I got to choose.
They're not supposed to sit down.
I got to choose.
What was he talking about?
Nobody. Come on.
Yeah, so we
Oh.
can.
Oh, what you get? Ooh. Oh, she popped up wrong. Oh, sorry. It's okay.
Gosh, she couldn't get off of it. Funny.
Ooh, face like ooh.
Beat it up.
Booty like I'm bleeding like y'all don't like me. My friend tighten up. Follow me. Period. One new chick go serious. No list. No
Okay,
serious.
I'm taller than you. But don't matter.
Ooh. Face like ooh. Booty like I'm bleeding black.
Can't see our kiss.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
So I really don't care. I really don't.
Ooh, face like ooh.
Eating Frosty Flakes. And you just ate. Like, what the heck? Oh my god.
Sure.
Cause you told me. You told me, so like, look. So you straight up told me. Space Jam, Barry and this thing. And we both had the same necklace. Queen. You told her. You told me on Tower Power. Oh my god, Tower Fell.
Stop typing fast. Face like ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. My booty is real.
Okay, baby.
Bear.
Oh yeah? It's calling. No, man. Okay, baby. Let's go.
Ooh. Music.
Not there.
Yeah, they ain't, but they broke it. I got some for you.
Okay, guys, so this is what it's gonna do. Like, it's too heavy. It's too heavy to control. See, guys, too heavy to control. Hold on.
I don't know how to do mama washing. I'm about to play with y'all. I'm about to ask mama if I can do it.
It's my glitch. Bye. Guys, you guys saw that, right? You guys saw that, right? It just came apart. Bah.
Just nice.
Liar. I'm a YouTuber. Oh my god. Blah, 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 blah. Same. I know some glitches. Durr. Why do you think I have all these things?
Jelly just takes me.
I don't know what the hell is this. Shit just not working. Fuck. I'm gonna fuck you up 'cause you look like a bitch. And you look like a motherfucking fish stick. Okay, guys, I'm tired of this girl. Okay, I'm tired of this girl. Isolation mode on. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna help my girl do some questions. Want me to help? Ah! Do some QUESS. No, help, bro. Help.
Hey, what you do to Jelly?
Come on, booty.
Jelly said what she do to you.
Son, do not start this, son. Nah, cause she act like she had a big sister. She don't have a big sister. So I don't like her no more. She lied. Act like she got a big sister and always lying to me. No, this not gonna be. I already got my girl. Nigga, how you gonna tell me to hurry up? I said you, not me. I already did most of the quests. Baby, I don't say that's video. Driving on the radio station. Motherfuckers. Okay, Shumbo. Baby.
She couldn't play Roblox.
Huh?
She had no memory.
I still don't care. Guys, I'm gonna get on Alexa. Do you have Insta?
Do you have insurance? Yeah, she said she had lots of sisters.
Lie, that's a lie.
She said she had 10.
She lied. But I still don't wanna go with her. cheetah. Oh shit.
Oh.
She said I'ma cheat. How I cheated on here? It's a glitch. That's what glitches do. Oh! 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 She said auto. Okay, guys, so this time I'm gonna make it to the end. I promise. Maybe, bro. I'm finna go. Come on, trying to. Yeah. What happened?
Everything.
How do you start the washer? Like, do you put it on heavy light?
How much clothes you have?
Okay, guys, so that is the end of this video. So I'm gonna upload this video with my girlfriend. I hope you go see my video.
Some clothes.
Jeez Louise.
I'm about to be playing with talking.
Okay, guys. Peace.